It's a restart party where we have existing and new volunteers sharing their skills and helping members of the public fix their broken gadgets, starting from laptops to phones to headphones to food processors and audio equipment, radios, you name it. Everything with a battery or the plugs. We call them restart parties because sometimes all you need to do is to restart a device that's giving you a problem. But more often than not, they're actually products that can be repaired, but there isn't an easy, obvious place or person you can refer to once the warranty of the product is over. Electrical waste is the fastest growing stream of waste around the world, and every year we now have over 50 million tons of electrical and electronic waste, which is more than 4,500 Eiffel Towers generated per year. Because of all the environmental impact in the manufacturing of all electrical and electronic devices we use, the most important thing is not recycling, although obviously recycling at the end of life is crucial, but it's actually extending the product lifetime so that we reduce the pressure on the environment to manufacture new products all of the time.